Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are talking about a very helpful tool for writers, bloggers and business owners. It's called WriterZen. It helps you to write smarter content and ranks higher on Google. And guess what? There is a lifetime deal on AppSumo. You have to pay just once and that's it. You can use it forever. No more monthly payments. So make sure to check the description below this video. I have added the deal link and any updates you need to know. So what is WriterZen? WriterZen is a full SEO tool. It helps you find the best keyword, understand what people are searching for and plan your content so it gets more traffic. You can find topics or ideas, you can discover what question people ask, and you can group keywords into a smart clusters, and you can write SEO friendly articles with AI. Basically, WriterZen helps you to build a strong content plan that works, not just guess what to write. And why is this helpful? Because if you are just writing randomly, your content wouldn't rank. But with WriterZen, you can write based on data, so you know your content has a better chance to success. And you may ask, is it hard to use? Not at all. The dashboard is clean and easy to understand. You don't need to be an expert to get started. It's great for bloggers, YouTubers with websites, business websites, SEO beginners, and freelance content writers. And let's talk about the lifetime deal. This kind of tool usually costs a lot of money and in every single month or yearly, but with this lifetime deal, you only pay once and you can use it rest of the day. That saves money in the long run, especially if you write content often. So is WriterZen worth it? If you want to rank higher on Google, get more traffic and create better content with less guesswork, then yes, it's totally worth to checking out. And finally, please look at the description below for the link and updated information. Thanks for watching this video. If this video helped you, feel free to like and comment and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video.